This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Harbour. Top of the wish list, 3-bedroom 2-bath home on level lot near Lake Balboa. Built in 2000, this home offers split bedroom floor plan, oversized 2-car garage and workshop below the home. The builder went ahead and included the highly desired Arkansas room when the home was constructed. Master suite has double sinks, double closets plus step-in shower and separate tub. Conveniently located in Lake Balboa neighborhood, close to Balboa Electronic Gate and easy access to Highway 5. Agent see Agent Remark for more information, review the details below or contact Harbour at 501-204-2034.